Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find the enhancer preferences in the Remini application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app, and once you have done that and you are in the home page, you will see the settings option at the top of your right corner. Press on that, and once you are there you have to scroll down a little bit and you will see in the general section the enhancer preferences. Click on that. And here you can activate basically 4 different options, basically the sizes, the background blur, the colors, and the face retouch. Now everything is already activated in my case, and I suggest you to keep it that way. But if in any case you want something to be deactivated, here is where you can find them. It's up to preference at the end of the day, so I thought I'm going to show you this, and I really hope that this video was helpful to you, and thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye bye.